guys, how's it going? I haven't been able to put a video out here recently because it's been pretty busy. I'm actually getting married in a few weeks, first week of November, so it's been pretty hectic here. We had some of the wedding festivities going on here recently. Had our what they call the I Do barbecue at Pool Farm. So had about 50 people out there show up, and the great thing about it was it's at Pool Farm, so we kind of spent part of the day, you know, getting things ready for the party. Had the party that night, and decided we were going to try and take advantage of having some of the guys down there, and we all kind of brought some of our guns and set up our own little shooting range there. So Justin brought a few of his small targets. We did a little handgun shooting, and then Jeff brought a steel target, and we actually shot across the lake at a target about 300 yards away. So we had a pretty good time, and then a little bit later we had my bachelor party, and so I brought a few guys and we went to the mountains over in North Georgia, and we found a shooting range over there. We actually went for Justin's bachelor party. That time we actually spent about half a day trying to find the place. So we knew that place was there, so after a little while we were going to try and go over there and check that out. It was about an hour drive from where we were staying, and it's just this really nice range. It's across the border into North Carolina. We went up there and brought Clint's AR, and then we had my Mini 14, and just had a good time out there. So we got a little bit of footage of that here for you. So hope you enjoy it.
So this is Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm. It's got a custom trigger by Apex Manufacturing.
Yeah.
It's got a chrome polished slide. It's got Trigicon night sights. It's had some receiver work done inside where the mag goes in.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of fun to shoot.
All right.
There she gone. You want to shoot the judge?
It's a terrible temptation.
It's not fun. And if anybody tells you it's fun, it's not fun.
Really?
It kicks like a mule.
Really?
It's worse than a 44 mag.
Ooh.
So you should try it. You need to be about right here.
Yeah.
And it's still gonna put a pattern on it.
Right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
here, all the way past, and that's 7 feet.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a snake killer. For sure. Your turn.
Should be recording.
That'll do it, won't it?
Yeah. That is fun.
She's got a hammer on her.
Oh yeah.
It'll get the job done.
Yeah.
She's got a hammer. Look at that.
Yeah.
She's got 2 over here.
Right.
And there's no telling how many we have over here.
Uh-huh.
It will put a hole about that big around in it.
Yeah.
It'll get the job done.
Uh-huh.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Come under it or in front of it. He's gonna ring it on first go. Oh! There he is. All right, now we can negate it. We're still in the game. All right, we're still in the game.
I'm not gonna tell y'all how I am.
That's why I was cutting you off there. I wasn't gonna let you do it.
All right, safety's off, Clint. Oh!
All right, Ben.
We're gonna have to have sudden death if we have multiple misses.
Clint, you need to have somebody over here with like a steel plate and a spoon.
Yeah.
Shoot, as soon as you miss it, you just go.
Should have had Sarah doing that. That's so hard. But they took up our...
Alright, so...
There we go. Clint, you gotta get it.
That's it.
You gotta get it.
Do I go again?
I'll get him another clip.
Whoa, whoa, snake, snake, snake.
Where?
Where? Snake, where? Where? Snake, where? Snake.
Hold up, Jeff.
Oh, yeah.
Where? You just dropped the bag. Quick, Clint. Drop it off.
Pretty sure you got him first try. I'm almost certain. Almost certain you got him first try there.
I think I did, and then I started missing.
I seen that most of them.
Hold on! This guy's gotta die!
Got it. Got it. Nice.
What you think, Nate?
That's fun.
So it has that hold back when you get on an empty mag.
Yeah.
So if you push this back, and push that button right there and let this go, then it holds it open, and it's 10 times easier to load.
Yeah. Gotcha.
And then this thing is accurate.
Yeah.
Good God.
I wasn't quite as accurate as this one.
Takes great care. See her standing there.
I was shooting his and watching it hit the target. Like I'd come back, I could see exactly where the crosshairs were on each one.
Yep. That's what I did with the. That's probably more than just one, too. I'm sure. But dang. Good job, Nate.
Let's put someone that you want to do further.
One on there.
Brothers.
I don't know how you did that bird, but it's behind the target.
Oh, yeah.
You did the target, just going up all around. Which one are you going for?
I'm gonna go middle, and then long.
Metal long, got it.
Got him.
Got it, yep.
That's two.
Dang.
I'll leave some for everybody else. Get one or two. Everybody get a shot at it. That's insane. You realize how insane that is?
It is.
Shot shells at 100 yards.
It's just not broken in yet. So kind of.
Woo!
That's two.
Got him!
That's two.
Got him!
Yeah.
One on the far back, on the left side. I'm gonna go for it with this one. Tried 5 times and I did not get it.
Actually, you're.
Yeah, go ahead. You wanna try, Nate?
Yeah, might.
Got one on the left and the very back. Nate going for the back left shotgun shell.
Yeah.
It's a hard shell to get.
I got 3 of them.
Had 2 here, but then that back one I tried 5 times. Nate's tried 5 times.
Really?
Yeah.
I caught 3 of them.
Oh, over there, yeah.
Yeah.
That was Justin.
Huh?
Catching shotgun shells with his
I'm
hand.
having a good time, man.
Not shot rifle shells.
We find some more. We can set them up again. We can find some more. Your gun was shooting
Over there.
metal. I'm not kidding you.
It hit that pine tree. Way up over here. He's not even on the end bay. He's the second one in. You can see the hole behind the target.
Oh yeah,
we all kept hitting.
Did y'all happen to see this one when Clint shot it?
Oh yeah, it blew
Because
right
the
up.
plastic went up like way up here and flew down. I thought it was cool as hell. That was pretty cool.
Was it bad? I just noticed the 50-yard markers and all.
I didn't see those either.
Yeah.
I didn't see those either.
I think we were hitting right at it.
Wow. Souvenir.
Yeah.
40. Well, I'll do that.
Get any low? Nope. It's hard to hit the target low, but then again, we were trying to hit these things.
Go shoot a rock. Clint, don't be such a smart ass, okay? Nobody likes a smart ass.
Put up a golf ball on the rock ball.
This is a bachelor cake right here. These are the candles.
I was gonna show you, I think it was this one. Look at that. They didn't hit it, they just went right by it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Knocked
didn't.
bruised it a little bit. Cool, let's do it.
All right.
Let's run out of ammo.
Uh-oh.
Seriously? Ben's gonna be a lot of fun tonight. Y'all think they sell Florida Gators merchandise? Yeah, sure.
Hey.
Hey!
Bingo.
You got it, yeah! Hit it. There you go.
It was right here. He was right here.
Uh-huh.
And I got it.
And you got it. Oh, it's about to be open season. Shotgun shell. You're both short.
2 shots, 2 hits, I'm done. I can't.
Oh.
Wow.
Bingo.
There you go.
That's done. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Yeah. Too bad we're not going hunting tonight.
Do you like my hair?
Oh yeah. Well, the first time I shot it, it was freehand. It was all over the place, you know.
Like, no, it's still standing there. Good shot.
Did you get hit?
Oh, almost.
Hey!
You got it.
One golf ball
That's
left.
good because I'm out of bullets.
One golf ball left.
Let's see if I can get the golf ball.
Is there a golf ball?
There's one golf ball left.
Hard to see it, but yeah, there is. Clint going for the golf ball.
That's gonna be hard. The dot on that scope is the size of that golf ball at 100 yards. That's gonna be hard. High.
High. Yep.
High.
Still high.
Ooh, you nicked
Just
it.
to the
You
left.
nicked it. Oh, you're so close. Oh, so close. You're high. You're like that high. Like that high. You walked it down though. I saw you. You were walking it down. You like I think you hit the top of it one time, just like phew.
I felt like I was close.
Like real fast by it.
First shot. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shotgun shells.
Get them all.
Up there.
Just like a
And Justin go 5 for 5.
to gasoline. She said the word never say. Knows what she's doing. She's still a show when she stops moving. Hurting, baby, just for you. Burning through the fire for you.
I don't care who you are. That's fun.
That's always fun.
I don't care who you are.
Fun.
That's fun.
Well, we had a really good time at that range. It's a really nice area, and it's got space for pistol range, and then it's got another section there for a rifle. Trying to see what all we can do these next couple of weeks. It's going to be pretty busy, so I'm not too sure how much content I'm going to be able to get out. We're about a week away from the bow season in Alabama. I should be getting pretty close to getting some content for deer hunting, and I'm hoping I can come up this weekend and get to the farm and get a squirrel hunt in while we're there. We've got a whole lot of other wedding planning stuff I got to do, so trying to get all that worked out and get it all finished up. So not too sure how much content I'm going to be able to put out here in the next few weeks, but we'll see what we can do. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.